probably know by now, I'm Frederic. I work for Ableton, a company that makes software and hardware for making music. And most of the stuff we've done on the web so far have been mostly centered around traditional content marketing. So we've written articles and made videos about how to make music. But we're also about to launch our first interactive web experience that's there to teach people how to make music. And you can see it here behind me. It's online already. It's not officially launched yet, so maybe don't tweet it out just yet. It's going to launch basically right after JSConf, but I'm also already really excited to talk about it. So yeah, so this is like, you can, this is how it starts. You can make some, mix some basic patterns. But there's also like different chapters where you learn what a beat is, for example, and you can make a little beat, and you can also change it around a bit. Live in the browser, this is our web audio. There's a whole bunch of different chapters where you can learn about chords, bass lines, and everything. Yeah. For example, here you can listen to the bass line and change it around and change the tempo and see how it feels. And we're really excited about it. It's been like 2 people working on this mostly for 6 months, which is normally like for our main product, how long a beta phase is. And it's been the whole product, and yeah, we're excited to see what people say about it. And depending on how people like it, we want to expand it and do more interactive web experiences, and maybe also see how we can go offline with something like that. Another thing I would like to share with you is, so at Ableton we also make this thing here. It's called the Push. It's a it's a MIDI controller. It's designed to work with our software live, but it also works with Web MIDI, and one of the engineers at the Push team, Ben Jeffries, has made a really nice abstraction library, so you can really easily use it in the browser. So I made this little example on CodePen for bubble wrap, so you can send data to the Push and like control the lights and stuff like that, but you can also receive events, for example, if someone presses a pad and stuff like that. And I made this little bubble wrap demo that lights up all the lights, and you can only hit each once, and then you can, do the bubble wrap thing. Yeah, and let me put this down real quick. And yeah, that's about it. You can visit learningmusic.ableton.com. We're still refining like some of it's still a bit rough around the edges. We're still refining it before we're launching after JSConf. And you can find the example for the Web MIDI push on CodePen.io/Frederic Marx and play around with it. And that's it for me.
Wow.